So we all know that Boat is a trusted and renowned brand when it comes to durability and quality of their products, ranging from their headphones to Bluetooth speakers, which also comprise of power banks, smartwatches, and some other accessories. Finally, they have rolled out this 18-watt charger. So that's how it looks. Before I come to main unit and the review part of this video, let me quickly show you some written specifications. So you can pause this video for your reference, so I don't need to spend much time to explain you all this. So it comes with 2 years warranty, and the unit which I received as of March 2021, and on box MRP is 799, but you can purchase this product from Amazon for around 300 to 400, and this is also available on Flipkart and their site as well, but currently it is out of stock, so it's better if you can purchase it from Amazon. So let's keep it aside. Coming to box contents, which includes this document wherein you can see number of brand ambassador and the different accessories and products like cable and all that. So like I said, it comes with 2 years warranty, and for warranty claim you need to contact. There is no need to register, and for more information you can scan the QR code. So that's all in content. So finally, this unit 18-watt fast charger. So coming to performance of this charger, I mean, which I have used for a while, so I don't think so it supports fast charging for smartphones, but I'm not the right person to say anything about it. So you need to buy yourself and test it with your device. So I have tested with the Samsung smartphones, but it doesn't work well with them. So as their current requirement is different, and coming to the voltage information, like it supports 5 volt 3 ampere. Let me focus here. And 9 volt 9 volt 2 ampere. So as in all this, I mean, this looks, I mean, sturdy, and in hand feel is strong, and this charger is small and compact. So I recommend that if you can test this charger with your phone, because I mean the only problem which I faced with this charger, it takes a different time when compared to Samsung adaptive fast charger. But overall I think that this charger supports quick charging, that is 3.0, and this charger is looking so premium, and definitely you can go for it. The one which I have purchased, I mean, the moment it arrived, I mean, the packaging is unsealed and unsecured, so I need to return this charger anyhow. But I like this, I mean, this compact size, and how they built all this, I mean, in this price compared to the P-Tron, the brand. And Boat is a trusted one, and you can trust this brand, which also says, I mean, it comes with 2 years warranty. So I think that is a good buy for the buyers. But for Samsung phones, I don't consider, I don't want to consider it, and I have to return it. Unfortunately, I think that I need to buy a Samsung adaptive fast charger. So that's all in this review. Let me focus here so that you can get some basic idea how it looks. So here you can see some details as well, output input for your reference, and the model which I received, WCD QC 3 ampere. So that's all in this review. Thanks for watching. Thank you.